Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. Today I have this super cute French set. It was a custom request. I will be showing what the original set looked like. I copied it like exact copy paste type set. That's exactly what my customer requested, so I did that for her. So we're gonna go in with the natural short square by Apres, and these are all of her custom sizes. So yeah, let's get into it. So she wanted like a white glitter French, so I made each of those, and then I just sent her a video so that she can choose which one, and she ended up choosing that middle one, which was like super glittery and super pretty. So I'm going to show you guys how I did that. And first I'm just going to go in with my base coat really quick. Okay, so this is what 3 coats looks like, and now that we're going to be doing some art and French tips, I'm just going to wipe off that sticky layer because I just don't want to deal with it. So yeah, and I just feel like sometimes when you're doing artwork or French tips, when you wipe off that sticky layer, it helps the like art it's just easier. So yeah, I like to do that. And this is the 2 colors that I used for the French tips. So I'm just going to go in with pure white first, and then I'm going to cure that. And then I'm going to go back in with the twinkle white, which is this super pretty glitter. So then I'm going to show you guys how that looks just as a French, and they are so pretty. I actually just made myself a New Year like Disney set because we're going to Disneyland. So I made myself a set finally, and I used that white glitter color and I did an ombre. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I hope I'm able to put it up for you guys before I go. And then I'm also gonna do an application video with glue this time because I did just do an application video with nail tabs, which that should be up within the next couple days as well. So yeah, we just finished the French. Now I'm gonna go in with that glitter color so you guys can see it really quick. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. It is so pretty. All right, so now we are ready for the artwork, and I'm going to show you guys really quickly on my phone the exact picture that my customer sent me. Okay, so I just zoomed in really quick to show you guys. So this is what they look like. So now we're going to do all the cute little nail art on each nail. So for the nail art, I have a ton of different colors I'm going to be showing you guys each one, and then I'm just going to be making like a little dot on my little palette, and we're going to get straight into that art. And for the art, I'm really not going to be talking that much because it's kind of just like, I want you guys to just be able to watch it and just see the little art because it's so cute. Okay, so once I cured this, I did look again at the picture and that little like brown, it was all glittery. So I went back and found like this really pretty glitter that I had. So if I was to do this set again, I would definitely start off with the brown and the glitter and then go in with that white and stuff. But yeah, I wanted to look exactly like the picture. So I do love to do that. I like to challenge myself to make stuff look exactly alike. So yeah. Okay, so I just have to say this was my favorite nail of them all. I just love candy canes, and this one, for whatever reason, I don't know, it was because of the camera, I guess, it just came out so perfect. Like, I had no issues with it. And then the second candy cane, because I did this one first with you guys, and I did all this nail art for the first time on here, and then I did the second set of like 5 nails, and I struggled so bad when the camera was off. I don't know why. So yeah, thank you for the camera being there, because this one was, it was so easy, and then it just came out so cute. But yeah, this was my favorite nail, the candy cane one. Okay guys, we have reached the end. This is the last nail, this cute little present. So yeah, I had so much fun making these. I think they came out so cute. So this was the bundle that I created. I always add in a cute little scrunchie and a ring, and then lately I've been adding in one more thing. So yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this bundle. If you guys are interested or have any questions regarding anything, definitely let me know. I am happy to help. I love what I do. So yeah, definitely let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.